How to fix Instagram Music not showing all songs. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are running the updated version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So once done, you can head over to your application Instagram and check whether all of the songs are available or not. If not, you can report the problem to the Instagram support and within 24 hours, they will help you out. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.